What traction devices do you recommend? You know, they're popping up on your machines all the time. What devices do you want to use? Especially if you've been talking about it or Googling it, you'll see these ads pop up. So which one's better for you? Honestly, I don't know. They all do different things. They all provide different traction. And some people like certain ones. I've had so many patients and each one likes something different. So it's hard for me to recommend something specifically to you. There's prescription ones that I do use that are more high-tech and much more costly than you'd find on the internet or something that's popping up. So it's hard for me to specifically recommend any retail traction devices for your neck, but there are those out there. You can try some and see how you do. Just pick one that suits you best.